Welcome to ArtCloud's Manager for Artists. Here in your manager, you will find your dashboard. In this area, you can set to-do tasks and reminders. Under your inventory section, you can add all of your artwork and add relevant details about the work, including financial information, history, upload detailed images. You can also organize your prints and editions, create quick lists, and track all of your consignments with your galleries, add gallery information, design your exhibitions, and set the details for that and opt them into our public marketplace or your website. Create invoices in the ArtCloud Manager, add shipping costs, taxes, promo codes, add all of your notes. You can add the remote pay link and then email this directly to your customer. Under marketing and sales, you will find a campaign builder where you can build and design your marketing emails and send these out to your contacts. You have all of your contacts within system. The CRM helps you stay on top of potential sales. You can send emails directly from the contact record, track their purchase history, contact info, and any relevant activities. In your analytics, you'll be able to track all of your sales over time, your payments, work that's on approval or layaway, track your taxes, and keep on top of your top buyers. These reports can be exported and help you with your overall taxes. You also have a public profile where you can sell work on ArtCloud's marketplace, and you have your website builder here where you can design your artist website and integrate with your manager, allowing you to manage online sales within your management system. Thank you for coming on board with ArtCloud, and please reach out to us with any questions.